In this video, I'm going to go through your first project for Math 135. In this project, you will be doing a linear regression on two variables of your own choosing. So this is the assignment that you can see right here. It gives you a quick overview of the project. I'm just going to do a quick summary of what you're going to be doing. So the first part of this project is you're going to select the population that you're going to sample from, as well as your explanatory and response variable for your project. I'd also like you to give me a quick explanation on the type of relationship you believe these variables will have and why you believe that will be the relationship. Okay, like it says right here, this part's not about being right or wrong. It's just to give us a framework for your own thoughts on the relationship you've chosen. Once you select your population and your two variables, I would like you to post in a discussion board the variables that you've chosen. The discussion board will be up today for you guys. So just go ahead and post. I'll take a look at those as I see posts coming in and just let you know if I like your selection or if I think we need to tweak it a little bit. Okay, it is very important that you make sure that you pick two quantitative variables. We have not seen how to do linear regression with qualitative categorical variables, and we're not going to see that. So we want to make sure that we're using variables that we know how to work with. So once you get the okay from me to move on, you can go ahead and go to part 2, which is the actual collection of your data. So you are going to be collecting your own data for this project. You're going to need to get at least 30 individuals. Each individual you will ask both of your questions. You'll ask them for a response to your explanatory variable as well as your response variable, and you can record those responses here in this table. If you don't want to talk to people, you can definitely choose something that you can find the information for outside of surveying other people. For example, you could look at the relationship between temperature and humidity. That is information that you would be able to find just by going to like the Weather Channel website and looking at maybe 30 different cities, looking at what was the temperature that day and what was the humidity. Okay. You can't actually do temperature and humidity because it's in the example. So you'll record your data in this table. Then once you have all your data, you'll move on to the actual linear regression piece of this. So you're going to draw a couple of scatter plots, find the correlation coefficient, find the equation, do some interpretations of slope and y-intercept, calculate the residual for a couple of values, and then finally give me a paragraph or two summary of what you found and how it matches or didn't match what you had predicted in the first part. So that's all you're going to be doing. For the two scatter plots you're going to be creating, I will be posting another video here in a minute that shows you how to create a scatter plot in Excel and also how you can use Excel to plot the line of your regression onto the scatter plot so you can see how good of a fit that line actually appears to be. So go watch that video and let me know if you have any questions on the project.